guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making pho stir fry. What you'll need is obviously some pho. I bought this from the Asian store. What I did was I just put it into a bowl with some warm water. Just let it sit in there for a little bit before I drain it. You will need some salt and then some sesame oil. Here, right here, you're going to need some black soy sauce, seasoning sauce, oyster sauce, and soy sauce. And then I already chopped up some garlic, some bok choy, some green onions, and you're gonna need a measuring tool and an egg. And this is good for 2 people. So let's get started. Okay, so really quickly for the sauce, I put 1 tablespoon of the soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of the seasoning sauce, 1 tablespoon of the black soy sauce, and then 2 tablespoons of the oyster sauce. And I already have my stove going, and I put it on high because I wanted to for it to heat up really quickly, because that's how you cook Asian stir fry, is if you do it really fast and really quick. So I'm gonna start with the garlic. Now I'm gonna crack the egg. And then once the egg is kind of cooked, halfway cooked, we are gonna throw in our noodles. Okay, halfway cooked, noodles in. And I already drained the noodles, so there's not a lot of water. And here goes the sauce that I made. I made a little bit too much, so I'm only gonna do half of it. Make sure you stir it. So when we cook it in a wok and not in a pan, because the wok cooks it really fast. Now my vegetables, the bok choy, and then the green onions. And if you do the stir fry, I would suggest to use like the bigger noodles and not the small noodles like I use. because it's this is more for like pho and not for like stir fry, but it is the only thing I have at the time, so I'm just using that for now. And it looks like it's ready to be served on the dinner table. That was quick and easy, right?